Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make marinated hot pepper preserves. Oh my god, perfectly sweet and sour at the same time. So as you can see in the garden here, we have all kinds of hot peppers, but we're gonna make these ones here because they make the best marinated pickled hot pepper preserves. We also gonna use this tall plant here, and that is dill. And we're gonna use the dill flowers for our marinade. Дай, Каса. All right, so as you can see, I have all these hot peppers here. They're different kinds. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but you can use whatever you find in the store or grow in your garden. And I also have the dill blossom here that is gonna go straight in the jars with the marinade. All right, so as you can see, all these peppers are going to fit in these 3 jars, and we're going to use very simple ingredients. We have sugar, salt, white vinegar. This particular vinegar is apple vinegar, but you can use white vinegar, champagne vinegar, whatever you can find. And we have some black peppercorns, and of course the dill blossom. So the proportion here is going to be 2 soup spoons of sugar, 1 soup spoon of salt, and we're gonna fill the jar with vinegar to the half. So this is what the marinade looks like with the vinegar, the salt, the sugar, and the black peppercorn and the dill flour. And we just have to mix it slightly. And don't worry about heating it up, because when we put the hot peppers inside the jars, they will take care of that. All right, so next step, I have to light up the fire to roast the peppers. All right, my fire is almost ready. I need to grab some more wood from the woodshed. Very important tool. All right, so the next thing that we need is this super sophisticated, cutting edge kitchen equipment. It's just a piece of metal that goes over the fire. All right, now we're putting the peppers on the hot metal. All right, so this is what we need to see, this little char on the outside. They don't need to be cooked all the way through because the vinegar marinade will take care of the rest. All right, so I just pulled these from the heat and they're still hot. So the key is to put them in the marinade while they're still hot. So we're just finishing off here the last of the peppers and we're almost done. All right, so you see all these peppers, you did 3 jars. We're just gonna leave them here overnight and they're ready to be consumed tomorrow. But when you put them in the fridge, they last over the winter. So these are excellent winter preserve. They're excellent with stews, soups, with bean soup because of that beautiful sweet and sour marinade that can be used as a condiment. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. All right, so I have a jar here that we made a week ago. Let me try one. Perfectly sour and spicy.